Tell me, how do you start the business? What type of support do you provide to your franchisees? What does a typical day look like as a franchise owner? Why is this a good segment to invest in as an investor? What do you see your future look like as a franchisor? What are your goals? All right, you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Bryce. I'm one of the CEO and founders of the Handy Hunks exterior home services. So we specialize in services like window cleaning, power washing, roof cleaning, and paver sealing.
Amazing. So tell me, how did you start the business?
So I started the business my senior year of college by just cleaning windows. I just passed out flyers, got a lot of traction, I got a lot of referrals from word of mouth, and from there it kind of exploded and we started adding other services.
Amazing. And what type of support do you provide to your franchisee?
So we provide a full blueprint plan on marketing, how to hire, how to do the day-to-day tasks, systems, SEOs. So basically kind of handheld process on how they would start their own franchise.
Okay. And what does a typical day look like as a franchise owner?
So a typical day looks like starting the day, getting all the trucks off the ground, making sure all the guys know what they're doing for their jobs, making sure all the jobs are complete. I'm checking in with all the customers, collecting payments, and at the end of the day, wrapping up all the trucks and keeping our equipment top-notch condition.
Amazing. What's the total investment?
So the total investment is $85,000.
Okay. And why is this a good segment to invest in as an investor?
Yeah, so the home service business is booming right now, especially in the state of Florida. There's communities all up and down. We do the majority of our work in one community, and there's hundreds of thousands of communities all up in Florida. And the power washing, window cleaning, as we know, Florida is a very wet climate, so a lot of algae grows. So there's work to go around. There's plenty of work to get done.
And what do you see your future look like as a franchisor? What are your goals?
My goal is to take over the state of Florida as well as the country and have Handy Hunks franchises all throughout the country. And this is a service that is needed in pretty much every state in the United States, so I think it can really benefit homeowners all around the country.
I love that. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you.
That's awesome. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.